Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 13th of September 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.58%, settling the day at 41,096.77, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,569.68, increased 1%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 36,692.15, and Hang Seng is trading at 17,373. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,394, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII bought 7,695 crore in the cash market, while DII sold 1,800.54 crore in the last trading session. Retail inflation rises marginally to 3.7% in August, change in MPC stance unlikely. Manufacturing pushes overall factory output growth to 4.8% in July. Now talking about global aspects, US unemployment claims rose to 230k, slightly above the 227k forecast and the previous 228k. US producer prices rise 0.2%, slightly above expectations of 0.1% in August. WTI rose 2.5% to $68.97 a barrel, and Brent rose 1.9% to $71.97 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.08. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.88%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark equity indices, Sensex and Nifty, reached fresh all-time highs of 83,116.19 and 25,433.35 respectively, reflecting positive global market sentiment. The surge comes amid heightened expectations of increased foreign inflows into domestic equities, following US inflation data that strengthened predictions of a potential 25 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve. The Sensex gained nearly 1,500 points, closing at 82,962.71, while the Nifty ended the session at 25,388.90, marking a 1.89% increase. Nifty's strong closing above its all-time high signals robust buying momentum, indicating further upside potential. The next resistance is at 25,500, with a break above targeting 25,800. On the downside, 25,100 will act as crucial support, and a breakdown below this could take the index towards 24,900. Given the strength in the market, a buy on dips strategy is favorable, as any pullback could offer good entry opportunities. Nifty Bank has given a strong daily close, surpassing its previous resistance at 51,700, indicating further bullish momentum. The next resistance is at 52,000, and a break above could push the index towards 52,500. On the downside, support is placed at 51,400, with a move below this potentially taking the index to 51,000. The overall sentiment remains positive, suggesting a buy on dips strategy for traders, capitalizing on any market pullbacks. Stocks on the radar are bullish view, NMDC, ONGC, Can Fin Homes, Tech Mahindra, Infosys. Bearish view, Granules, Tata Motor, Gujarat Gas Limited, Aarti, Apollo Tyre. Our chart of the day is bullish on LIC Housing Finance. Trade of the day: LIC Housing Finance, buy at 700 to 703. Stop loss 679. Target 755. Aggressive targets at 742. Rationale: bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.